Hey, what is up guys? MJ2004 here. We're back with another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing this LEDeng fidget cube. So here it is, LEDeng. Now it has 5 buttons, 3 of them that click and 2 of them that don't click. There's the spin on one side, there's a switch on the other side, and then there's this joystick. There's this little metal ball that you can move around and push. So let's open it right up. So it has these 5 buttons that you see first. So, okay, so these 3 click and these 2 don't. Here's the joystick. It's right here. And then the spinny thing. Where is it? It's over here. Alright. It's nice. Okay, and then the switch. Right here, this is the roll, and then this is the breathe, that's what it says. So, metal button, you can push it, and you can spin it, like that. And then these you can roll, so you can do this together. It's really nice. And then there's, at the bottom, there's this oval stone, so you rub it and it helps you focus. And yeah, that is the LEDeng fidget cube. Red and black. But I got some dust in this and the joystick, so it's not very good. It's all the same features, it's just a different color. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and peace. One time.